Maths is fun. We learn cool things every day. Today, we will learn about adding and subtracting.
David is a busy boy. He is always running late, which makes his friends cross. "I will not be late today," thought David as he got ready to play at the park. Walking past the kitchen, David smelled something yummy. David counted 10 pies on the table. David loved pies and was always hungry, so he ate one. As he finished his pie, he saw a note which said, "David, do not eat." "Oh no," he thought. "What will I do?" David counted 9 pies left. He ran to see Dale the baker and bought 1 pie. When David got home and added 1 pie, there were 10 pies again. On his way out again, David saw his dog, Gummy, in the kitchen. He was eating the pies. David counted 8 pies left. He ran to see Dale the baker and bought 2 pies. When David got home and added 2 pies, there were 10 pies again.
How many pies did Gummy eat?
On his way out again, David saw his cat, Sully, in the kitchen. He was eating the pies. David counted 7 pies left. He ran to see Dale the baker and bought 3 pies. When David got home and added the 3 pies, there were 10 pies again.
How many pies did Sully eat?
On his way out again, David saw a kookaburra had flown in the open window. It was eating the pies. David counted 6 pies left. He ran to see Dale the baker and bought 4 pies. When David got home and added 4 pies, there were 10 pies again.
How many pies did the kookaburra eat?
On his way out again, David saw his big brother, Mikey, in the kitchen. He was eating the pies. David counted 5 pies left. He ran to see Dale the baker and bought 5 pies. When David got home and added 5 pies, there were 10 pies again.
How many pies did Big Brother Mikey eat?
David closed the kitchen door and the kitchen window. The pies were safe. Then David remembered his friends at the park. He was going to be late again.
Wow, adding and subtracting is cool, and so is maths.